Hi guys, it's Youcook here. Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is stir-fry chicken with roasted cashew nut. You're going to need green onion, pepper, bell peppers in different colors, chicken thighs, ground bean sauce, and garlic. Of course, Chinese cooking, you always need oyster sauce and whole cashews. The one I'm using is lightly salted. First things first, let's go ahead and get my meat ready. Cut into small chunks just like that, and then marinate the meat. Add 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. I'm using dark brown sugar. You don't have to. You can just use regular sugar or light brown sugar. That's fine as well. Minced 5 cloves of garlic. Cut bell peppers in small chunks so it looks like a square or about 1/2 inch in length. Add a little bit heat by adding 1/2 a size of red pepper. Prepare 1/2 cup of roasted cashew nut. Prepare fried tofu, just like that. Add in 1 tablespoon of ground bean paste. Next, I'm going to prepare 6 stems of green onion or scallion, but I'm only using the top portion of the green onion. Instead of walking you through this cooking process, it's very simple and easy. I'm going to let you enjoy and watch my video. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is better than takeout. If you have the time and you want to give it a try, this is a very easy recipe. Anyone can prepare this stir-fry cashew chicken. By the time you place the order and then you go pick up your food and then you come back, you might as well just put your time into preparing this recipe. I try to prepare more easy, simple, and healthy recipe for those of you who are on a budget and you don't want to waste time or money going out to buy food. That's it for this cashew chicken. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for your time and support. Until then, I'll see you on my next video. Everyone, stay safe and take care.